que allá.
For just over 10 years on our soundstage beat before being brought piece by a very precious piece for you to enjoy today. Now do keep on coming through as you would now like, plus the will be perfect even without the flash. Now as you're entering, you might have noticed the journey. Now I do say early because they quickly discovered having real candles hung by tungsten wires and lit each morning was not a very good idea you see today. Now think back to the entrance feast in the goblet of fire. 2, 1, action! Yes, Ronald, it certainly is. Or is it? This because the item pop out and roll all along the floor. Much to the hilarity of the children watching, less so the film producer.
How fantastically real it felt. It was as if I was stepping into the pace of the book, especially for a young boy. It was truly magical. And now
one legion at a time, not with the back cover. So you had it, you were doing it right. So just when you do these stamps, do just the one page.
Isn't everything. Glory and healing is death.
Please, I'd like to say a few words. no turning back. As in this moment, the triumphant tournament has begun.
Let's give our students a massive round of applause! You can grab one in 20 minutes where there will be another demonstration.
The really cool animated fire that's got a character in it.
What we get challenged with our passports is not only it's magic, so you end up on the roll front with it on the 6th floor, it's create this huge forest you've never really seen before.
show how dynamic the car was moving and how big the space was. So we did a lot of sweeping camera
Back to proper mold, but obviously the original one was turned on a massive lathe.
and then the next process is
Yes, yeah. So you ever missed out on the world?
No worries. And then the shelving side.
Ah, vedi? Harry Potter mettevano tutti...
Look here.
Will go down in history. Anyone will hoist this Jonathan Jackson, this vessel of victory, the Triumphant Cup.